uncover the sweet success of a plum job in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to unwrap a particularly sweet phrase in the English language, a plum job. If you're curious about what juicy tidbits this phrase holds and how to use it to enrich your English vocabulary, you've tuned into the right video. So, let's get into the core of this expression and find out why it's a favorite in the English-speaking world. Before we dive into what a plum job means, let's split the phrase in two. Firstly, the word plum, in this context, doesn't relate to the fruit itself, but rather to something desirable or of high quality. The term job, as many of you might know, refers to employment, a position of work. Put together, a plum job refers to employment that is considered highly desirable, often because it's well-paid, comfortable, or prestigious. It's the kind of position that many people might dream of having. The origins of the phrase, a plum job, take us back to the olden days when a plum was a treat associated with wealth and luxury. In historical times, plums were expensive and not easily available to everyone, making them a symbol of something extra special or valuable. Over time, this symbolism transferred to the job market. A plum, in any context, came to mean something highly coveted, and a plum job became a metaphor for an occupation that offers more than the basics, one that provides extra benefits or advantages. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. After years of hard work, he finally landed a plum job at a prestigious law firm. Many graduates aspire to get a plum job in Silicon Valley. She was offered a plum job with a six-figure salary right out of college. Notice how the phrase, a plum job, seamlessly fits to describe a job that's not just any ordinary position, but one that comes with significant perks. Why say, a plum job, instead of just, a good job? Well, using phrases like this can add color to your language and help you express nuances. It suggests that not only is the job good, but it's also extraordinary in some way. It's a mark of eloquence in English communication to use such idiomatic expressions. And that, viewers, is the sweet deal about the phrase, a plum job. It's a delightful way to talk about a great employment opportunity, one that stands out from the rest. We hope you enjoyed peeling back the layers of this expression with us. May your journey in learning English take you to discovering many more plum jobs in the language. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more juicy bits of the English language.